Okay, so moving on to question number 2. Question number 2 is just asking us to calculate the sample size, sample mean, sample standard deviation for each of the groups. Alright, at this point in the semester, I really hope that this is something that we know how to do pretty easily. So let's what I'll do is I'll make another table over here. Let me go ahead and extend this window. I'm going to call this, I'm going to title this a problem 2. Bold. Okay, maybe I'll actually move this down so that way. Okay, and then I'm going to call this N for sample size, and then a sample mean and sample standard deviation. Okay, so for the sample size, you could just count. I mean, this data set's pretty small. You could also use the count function. So just highlight the data and just equal count, and that'll also tell you the sample size. You can also just go 1, 2, 3, and count to 16. If I pick this corner and I scroll it over, it will automatically change to being 1 over for the count function as well. So for sample mean, if I type average, that should get it. Click on average, and then just highlight the data. And then, again, I could pick this corner up and scroll it like that, and it'll do the average for the next column over. And then for sample standard deviation, just be careful when you're doing standard deviation that you're pressing the sample standard deviation, not the population standard deviation. This is when it's a .s on it. And then highlight the data. Alright, so what you're seeing in mine, again, yours will be different, but what you're seeing in mine is the sample mean for non-smoking, for newborns born to non-smoking mothers is more than smoking mothers, and also the standard deviation is more than for smoking mothers. So, you could think about this. You should comment both for part B. You should comment both about the sample mean and the sample standard deviation.